Well, hi, I'm Monty, and today we're back working on the top of the guitar. And what I've got is a little jig here that I've made that helps me measure the top so that it'll fit the sides perfectly. I have an indentation here and here, which is 60 thousandths of an inch. I cut this piece on an angle. I'm going to tell you all about this particular jig a little later on. And then it cuts out here. So what you do with this is you put it down here, and if it rocks, then obviously this is too high and it has to be cut down. So what you do is you just simply take this and you come in and you very gently take that down, because you want it to fit nice and tight when it gets to the body of the guitar. Otherwise, you could have an issue, right? So, oh, really? No, you're kidding. They're here. Okay, change of plans, folks. Let's get rid of this. I'll do this on another video because right now we've got something that I've been waiting for. Let me go and get it. Don't go away. Oh, I'm excited about this. Okay, thank you. Okay. There we go. I got two boxes here. We're having an unboxing. So, I'm pretty sure I know what this is. And I'm pretty sure I know what this is. So let's find out. Always carry a pocket knife with you. Thank you, Peter, for that. So I'm going to cut this. I'm pretty excited and pumped about this. This is something really neat. You know, I've only done one other unboxing, and it was a complete fail. Oh my goodness, was it a mess? Well, here we go. Wow, secondary packaging. All right, how do we do this? What do we got here? Okay, it must undo this way. And of course it doesn't rip all the way across. Boxing fail. There we go. All right, let's open it up. Oh. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, let's get rid of that. I don't need that. And I got plenty of these. This, my friend, let me bring that right up to the camera so you can see it. This is the book. This is a bookmark that I made to go into the book. It's got the cover all on here. A riveting Canadian crime thriller. All right. And back here, just simply says, I hope you enjoy this book as much as I did writing it. So there's some stuff on here, email, where you can reach me, how to reach me, and all of that kind of thing. So that's kind of neat. And this is going out with the books that I give away. I don't know if you can get this on Amazon or not. However, I think I know what this is. This is like Christmas morning. Opening up all the gifts, both of them. If this is not what I think it is, I'm going to be really disappointed. Okay, so what do we got here? First thing is we got a whole bunch of packing. And I see a folded up slip here. Oh yeah, this is a bill of lading, or if you will, a packing slip. It says, Chasing After Justice. All right, baby. Here we go. Well, they got enough paper in there. We'll recycle that. Oh, nice cardboard. All right. Are you ready? There it is. That is our book. This is what you've been waiting for. Wow. That looks great. Oh, and here's the back. Everything on the back here, Chasing After Justice. Wow. Why are computers being stolen from offices? What's going on in a secret warehouse? Location outside of Toronto. Who's responsible for the murder and mayhem? All right. There it is. So stay tuned. We're going to have, I don't know how much we got here, but we sure look like we've got a stack of books. Look at this. How cool is this? Oh, man. I don't think I can get through all these books on the weekend. I mean, I might be able to read 2 of them, but I don't think I can read them all. I bet you dollars to donuts they all end the same way. Oh, look at that. Well, from the printer to my house. How cool is that? And so this card, it'll just fit right in there. And there you go. So you're going to be able to pick up the ebook right away. And the paperback looks like it's going to be out very soon. But you can pre-order on Amazon. And you can get this at Barnes & Noble. And you can get this at a whole bunch of bookstores. Just go online and search for it. Amazon.com. Amazon.ca, it's all there. Look for the book. It's available. Pre-order right now because the order date or the release date is coming up very soon. We'll talk to you in another video. Thanks for bringing this in. I really appreciate that. No, I would like a cup of tea. All right, I see. I got to go get a cup of tea. And I'm taking one with me. Bye for now. Oh, this is so good.